Hey y'all, it's Lex. Welcome back to my channel. So today my goal is to perfect the spaces around my home that I've been designing with the little details. I feel like my spaces for the most part really come together, but they're missing those small elements that really make you say wow. So in the art of perfection, I am channeling my inner Crate and Barrel, and we're going to do some Crate and Barrel inspired DIYs. So let's just jump right into it. So for our first DIY, we are imitating this beautiful white vase. I'm going to start out with a bowl that I picked up from the Dollar Tree and this black pot from Home Depot. Using a soldering tool, I am going to remove the bottom of this bowl, which will become the top of our pot. And I'm also going to remove the rim on this planter. I'm going to glue those two pieces together with some Gorilla Hot Glue and cover it in white grout. I want to cover up the grooves that are created by the planter, so I'm going to add at least 3 coats of grout and sand this out to perfection. I started with a coarse sandpaper and then followed up with a fine sandpaper until I got the finish I wanted. And here is the final product. And in the space, it looks bomb. Next DIY is inspired by this beautiful black vase. I'm going to start with a bowl and a candle holder. I'm going to combine these two with some hot glue, and I used a piece of floral foam to give the candle holder more height. Once I have the placement correct, I stuff the rest of that space with some grocery bags to help keep the candle holder in place, and I'm solidifying its position with duct tape. This is what's really going to keep everything together. If you'd like to imitate the shape of the inspiration more, you can create a 90-degree angle, but I knew creating a slope was going to be more forgiving. Once our shape is solidified, we're going to go in with some Elmer School glue and some water 1-to-1 ratio and make a little paper mache. I used paper towels for this paper mache product because I really wanted something smooth and not bulky. I tried to get it as smooth as I could, but of course there is some wrinkling. So we are gonna go in on top of the paper mache with, you guessed it, grout. So I went in with a super thin layer. I'm going to smooth that out with some sandpaper and paint it black to match our inspiration. I also took a soldering iron and cut off the half side of a shower curtain hook to emulate the pot handles from the DIY inspiration photo. I later covered those in grout as well and painted them black again. And with that, this DIY is complete. And in my foyer, it is so bomb. It is definitely a piece I was missing to really pull this space together. I hope you guys enjoyed these DIYs, and I will see you in my next one.